You may be thinking about launching your first online course, or maybe you're building one right now, and you might have the question that a recent commenter had when they said, but how do you market the course? I did a video about Kajabi and how to build a course on Kajabi, and this person said, this is all really great, except how do you market this thing? And that got me thinking about the fact that it can be a little bit complicated to figure out if you don't know what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, that's fine. It just might mean that you don't have the experience here. But marketing a course is really part of the overall strategy of your online business. And in this video, I'm going to get into what it looks like to market your course, how it fits into your online business, how if you do things exactly how we teach to do on this channel, your course is already marketed. That's the secret. By the time you even launch it, people are desperate to have it. My name is Lane. This is my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Go to lanesebring.com/supersimple. Pick up your free, super simple guide to your first $500 online. Let's dive into it. So you are building an online course and you're excited about your online course. And if you're like a lot of people who haven't done this in the correct order, maybe you find yourself launching your online course and there's no one out there to buy it. This is a situation you do not want to find yourself in, because an online course is really like any other product. It only will sell if there is a targeted group of people ready to buy it. And in the online business space, that group of people is your audience. So the way that you market your course actually starts all the way back when you start your online business. And if you start your online business with content at the core of the business. In other words, content is what drives your online business. It's what gathers your audience. It's what helps people determine whether or not you can help them. It's what builds your know, like, and trust factor. In other words, people know you, they like you, and they trust you because you're helping them with this area of expertise that you have, this area of experience or knowledge that you have. You are helping them solve their problem with your knowledge that you're transferring in a transformative way with your content. If all of that is happening, by the time you say, hey, if you want to go further with me, and if you want to solve this problem in a deeper way and at a more complete and holistic level, I've got something for you. Reveal my online course. And if you do the things that we teach here to put the right copywriting together and your landing page for your course looks really good and the offer is on point, then the marketing, the exposure for the course has been happening since day one. So the very first thing I would say is that if you just want to build an online course and launch it without having done content that builds an audience and grows an email list, then you are probably looking at spending a lot of money on ads. You're probably looking at maybe putting your course on a marketplace like Udemy, where you're going to get a whole lot less money per transaction. And it's really up to the marketplace to sell the course. That's a totally different model than what I teach. I'm not the guy for that, because I firmly believe in building your own audience, having your course hosted on your own platform like Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. I can get you a 30-day free trial on that platform. But the way Kajabi works is it's your website, it's your course, it's your email list, you own it. And so you're also responsible for marketing that course. Nobody's going to do it for you. The beauty of that is you have complete control over the price of the course. There's no transaction fees. You keep 100% of the sale price of the course. So if we back up, the very first place we're going to start is we're going to build an audience that we own on a platform that we control. So think Kajabi and think building content through something like YouTube. When that has happened, when it comes time to launch the course, we're going to do two things. One, we are going to whet people's appetite about the course launch. So we're going to let them know, hey, I've got something for you. It's coming. We're going to do some pre-launch material. I like to do Jeff Walker's style of 3 pieces of content leading up to the launch of the course, or sometimes I like to do a live webinar. I've got videos on all of this that you can check out. But the point is, you kind of let people know, hey, this is coming. And the people that you're letting know that it's coming are the people that have been watching your content. They're on your email list. They're following you on social. They've already reached out and kind of said, hey, you're helping me. This is awesome. I want more. So by the time the course comes along, You do that pre-launch material and then you launch. And this isn't a video about launching your course as much as it's a video about marketing your course, but these two things are tied together because the launch of your course is where you're putting things all over the place to bring people in that are in your community, that have been following you, social, your email list, your website. You're saying, hey, if you have enjoyed what I've done so far, I now have this amazing complete system that's gonna help take this even further for you and you're gonna love it. So those are the steps that it takes to market, but it all starts with content and building your email list. The only other way to do it is either through paid ads, which is going to reach people who don't know you yet, don't like you yet, don't trust you yet. So you have a burden there to kind of get them from that to knowing you, liking you, and trusting you when they didn't ask to be found by you in the first place. That's paid ads. Nothing wrong with that. It's just a different path. Or a marketplace where that marketplace controls the pricing, but they also have the audience. I don't like either one. In my view, your audience is your biggest marketing tool. If you've done the work with your content to prove your value so that they know you, like you, and trust you. Now, if you want help with launching your course, check out this playlist right here, where I'll talk about in depth about how to launch your next online course. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.